Hello everyone, welcome to Career Talk. Have you met people who complain that why am I not growing in my career while I am doing so much hard work? Why somebody else is getting promoted? Why somebody else is getting a bigger role or a bigger opportunity while I am actually more deserving? Have you heard of such conversations, or have you actually felt it yourself that way? If yes, then stay with me in this video. Today I'm going to tell you everything about growth. Today I'm going to tell you how you can grow in your career, what are the things you need to do, what are the things which are important, what are the things which I have tried, maybe succeeded or failed, but at least I have tried and I am aware of. So extremely important video for your career growth. Stay with me till the end of this video. Okay, before I deep dive into the topic, subscribe to the channel because 9,600 plus have already done so. All right, now let's start the video. First and foremost, the basic thing is a lot of time people don't even understand that just gaining years of experience is actually not going to result into growth. Okay, you will grow only if you know what it takes to do the next level job. So if you are a senior software engineer, do you know what it takes to do a team leader job? It is that simple. If you are a team leader, do you really know what it takes to become a project manager, or what are the skills needed for a project manager? Okay, so likewise, if you want to grow from a project manager into a senior leadership role, again the question is same. Do you really know what do these senior managers do, what do the leaders do, what are the skills needed, what kind of knowledge is needed, what kind of experience is needed? So if you are aligned with that thought process, you will grow. Okay, if you're just thinking, oh, I have 10 years of experience, I am still a senior software engineer, why I have not become a team lead? My dear friend, you will never become a team lead because you are asking the wrong question. You are trying to say that by 10 years of experience you should become a team leader. Nobody will make you a team leader because your skills are still that of a software engineer or a senior software engineer. Okay, the difference between a team leader and a senior software engineer is very simple. Senior software engineer is probably very good at their own work, which is their individual contribution. They're probably able to help others as well. But a team leader is somebody who is leading a team, which means he is taking ownership of others' work. It means that if others fail, this guy will also fail. It is defined in their KRA that you are responsible for the success of this team. They are responsible to represent this team in front of the management or the client, etc., etc. So they have to take complete ownership. They have to make sure that everybody is trained. They have to make sure that there are right people in the team, right skills, right experience, etc. The basic thing about being a team lead and about being a software engineer or a senior software engineer are very different. Okay, when you pass out of your college, you are actually only having academic skills or maybe some technical or domain skills. Okay, then you actually gain experience on the job, right? But from where will you become a team lead? How will you know how to lead people? Okay, so all of that sometimes comes naturally to people. Sometimes people go and get trained. Okay, there are leadership trainings. There are trainings where they will actually tell you how to do that. Okay, and then you have to gain experience. Okay, you have to actually do the role. Which brings me to the second important topic is a lot of time people don't grow because they ask for a title and then they say, oh, give me the title, then I'll do the role. Okay, so their philosophy of life is, if I get a title of a project manager or a team lead, then I will do a team lead role. While in reality, it is actually the opposite. You have to first play the role, demonstrate that you are ready for the next level, and then ask for a title. Okay, this is the actually crux of the growth. Okay, because if you know what it takes to become a leader or maybe a project manager or maybe a senior manager, you should first play that role. Okay, so my point is, first observe people. Okay, observe your next level superior. Okay, observe your leaders, observe what they are doing, what are the skills that they have, how do they conduct themselves, what kind of role and responsibilities do they have, what kind of KRAs do they have, what kind of work are they actually doing. Okay, and then think, where are you today? Okay, and what does it take for you to learn those things to go to the next level? First, show that initiative, show that energy, show that interest to go to the next level. It is not like a wishful thinking that today, I'm feeling okay, I should get promoted, but tomorrow I'll be laid back. That doesn't work. So either you are motivated yourself to go to the next level, and that is why it is not just a one-day motivation. You will continue to learn, you will continue to groom yourself, train yourself, ask for more responsibility, ask for a bigger role, play a bigger role for 6 months or so, and then ask for a title. Similarly, from a management role, a middle management role to a senior management role or a leadership role, there is a lot of difference, because here you are responsible for a certain section of business, but in a leadership role you are responsible for a wider section of business. You are also responsible for strategy, you are also responsible for defining certain policies or strategies in which way the company will grow, what kind of regions or sectors you will focus on, what kind of customers you will focus on, what kind of product or solution will you invest in. So all those things are different skills which are not actually part of your skill set when you are a project manager or a middle management person, right? So at every level, what I'm trying to tell you is you need to ask what is it which is needed to go to the next level. Okay, observe somebody who is already doing that role, learn from them, acquire those skills, get trained, ask for a role, and then only ask for a title. Okay. This is actually a continuous process. If you don't have energy from within, if you don't feel motivated to do it, no training or no video can actually motivate you. Alright, so stop thinking that experience will lead you to growth. Experience will not lead you to growth at all. Experience is one of the component, technical skill is one of the component, but then there are so many softer aspects of it. One is taking initiative, another is communication skills, another is negotiation skills, there are influencing skills, there are sales skills, there are so many things that you need to acquire and learn as you grow in your career. What you are doing today is good enough for the current role. Okay, I hope I made the point clear. Do comment and let me know what you think about it. Do share this video in your network with your friends, family, girlfriend, boyfriend, wife, husband, etc., etc. I'll see you in another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.